Chapter 2. The clock read 6:49. Tommy still had about 40 minutes. He called Ashlyn, who called Ross, so they could have a three-way call.
Like you said before, whatever it is, it doesn't matter anymore,
Ashlyn reassured Tommy. Even if it is life-changing, we're here to help you through this, whatever it is, Ross told him.
You need to stop worrying and just face her, Ashlyn said.
Yeah, I know you guys are right. And I know I need to just get this over with, but Diane said at dinner that she had known about it this whole time, and she had never told me because it was too disturbed to talk about, Tommy explained. Disturbed? Asked Ross.
What the hell could have happened that would have made your mom scared to talk about it? Asked Ashlyn.
I got nothing, said Ross. Exactly. None of us are going to know unless I go find out. I'm going to go get there early, just in case, you know? Plus, I think some fresh air might do me some good right now, Tommy said. Okay. Hang in there, bud, Ross said.
Yeah, make sure you call us when you get home. I don't care how late it is. You've been bugging us about this for 3 days. We deserve to know, Ashlyn said with a fake vengeance in her voice.
Okay, I will. Bye, guys, Tommy said as he laughed and hung up the phone. Tommy hugged Diane and Rick and his sister Katie and left. The ride to the coffee shop felt like 1,000,000 miles long, even though it was only a few blocks. He wasn't focused and skipped a few stop signs and ran through a red light. Driving didn't matter. The only thing that mattered right then was his real mom. Was she nice? Was she pretty? She could be one of those old hippies for all he knew. He hoped she was sane enough to tell him about whatever it was. She could have been in the loony bin for this whole time. He parked his car in front of the coffee shop. He walked in and ordered a medium coffee, sat down and sipped it. His phone said it was only 7:06. A lot of time to wait still. He would look up immediately whenever a woman walked in. His watch said 7:27. Any time now. A woman with dark brown hair that stopped at her shoulders and dark brown eyes walked in. Their eyes met. He knew immediately it was her. He could tell she knew it was him too.
Tom?
She stuttered.
Hey, I go by Tommy now. What's up?
He said, failing at trying to make the moment less awkward.
Oh, sorry, Tommy,
she said as she focused on his face, looking at every detail. This was her son. The son she had to leave behind 8 years ago. You can call me Tom if you want, though, he said as the awkward levels reached an all-time high.
So, how have you been?
She asked him as she took the empty chair across from the table at him.
Good. You know, high school, he answered. Yeah, not the best thing, is it? She said. Not to be pushy or anything, but what happened? Why haven't I seen you in 8 years? He asked her. It's complicated. Very complicated. It's going to sound pretty weird and outrageous and unreal, but stick with me here, okay?
she asked him. Uh-oh. This wasn't good.